Hello guys, this is another backtesting session. Today I believe we are doing May. May Tom. So this is a rough month already. But let's see if we can bounce back. Okay, on to next day. Well, my god, bro. Okay, this tells me nothing. But let's see what the narrative is. So we're bullish because we manipulated these lows. I believe these are London lows. And we displaced higher. We are displacing above this range of this CB. We manipulated here. Okay, we went down, went here, closed there, and displaced higher. Okay, well, so 9:30 opens. We manipulate this, displace higher, rebalance, displace even higher. We don't take this high. And we displace lower. Here we manipulate this again and displace higher. And now we are rebalancing. So what is the narrative for today? I believe oh, hmm, the news are fucked. Okay, I will look on Forex Factory. January, February, March, April, May. Okay. So this is 9th. Okay. No particular high impact news. We still respect this PRA. And now we're rebalancing. Let's see if it displays higher. Price really slowed down. I don't know if we want to go higher. Look how this candle closed and afterwards what the price was. Very slow. Even though we respect this PDRA, it doesn't like shows we are bullish, right? So maybe we want to go here because we're displacing high. Let's see if we close out. Yeah, we close below. Now, now we go higher. Disrespected this PDRA. We made SMT. This is my time to shine. And the one-to-one is here, so let's see if we actually get the win. SMT is right here. This is quite good. There's the displacement. Respecting every PDRA. Now we respecting this one. I will trail my stop loss as because we have rebalanced. Okay. We displaced higher, so why would we go lower? Hmm. Manipulated here, so I'm trailing it right here. Even here. We already manipulated this. So what why would price go here? Yeah, so this is good. I tried my stop loss. Let's go next day. Oh, right. So previous session, what I wanted to know is like my stop loss should be wider. This is I didn't talk about. Mm, from the last back session, previous one, we've made it clear. If I don't have proper stop loss, I'm just getting stopped out. Okay. Oh, I skipped the day. Okay, it's fine. Mm, I don't understand it. What the fuck? Next day open is 9:30. So what the fuck is going on, bro? Okay. Okay. So we swept Asia lows, we surpassed this high, and we're re-entering this. Okay. So we are bullish. We are bullish from what I see from what we swept. But now, this is the most important thing. So we respect the speed array. We manipulate here, went higher. Now we stepped into this one. And what 930 shows? 930 displays higher. Take this draw. Disrespect the order block and displays lower, maybe to create some liquidity because we were going higher and higher. And now we are in the speed array. From what I see on yes, we could go S&T something to go lower. So I should be patient because are we are bullish. But we could we could be wrong. So even though we SMT'd this, we are going lower. So hmm, let's see what happens on these lows. Okay, so we are just displacing lower. I don't know. I don't know. The entry could have been here, but we made SMT, so it doesn't align with my narrative because my narrative could be still bullish. Just because we displace like higher and lower doesn't tell me nothing. Still respect the speed array. Let's see if we rebalance. Now we rebalance into the speed array. And now we displace lower. Hmm. We close below this order block. Now displacing lower. So this is my sign. I will try. I will set my stop loss right here. But but TP doesn't align with my RR. Okay, let's see. And we got stopped out immediately because we are bullish, right? This is what I had to know and just believe in my narrative. Let's see. No. Okay. Okay, so we lost again. Straight up unlucky, guys. Again, we made the manipulation before the real move happened. Oh my fucking god, bro. So the entries on 940, 945 were there. The entry here, targeting this row. uh, this is this is this is too late to the macro, so my bad. The timing. So we are now bearish, but we respect the speed array. And displacing lower. Now we're stepping to this. 15. Okay. I'm skipping to 940. Okay. Okay, so yes, went very, really low. We didn't manipulate, we just tapped into the rejection block and displaced higher, disrespected the speed array. Now this, and now we manipulated. Bullish manipulation, bearish manipulation. So the narrative is the key. We displaced all these general lows. And now we're displacing higher. 930 up manipulation and we go lower. Okay, we sweep these lows now, create order block, and there is our PD array. The question is, do we want to go here even? I don't know. Okay, there's the displacement. Let's get the one-to-one. Fuck. Okay, so we made my SMT here, so even though we set this internal, I'm not sure if we are going higher. Because we are bearish. From the 5 o'clock, we are bullish, right, man? This is 15th, 9:30, 8:30. We could be bearish. I will close this. I will close this. Now we want to fill this gap. Yeah. This move was bearish because we wanted to fill this. Let's see if we go higher now. Yeah. Except this high. Respect the speed array. Now we're going lower. stopped in this order block and we go higher. Okay. Eighteen starts. No manipulation. Just kind of higher and higher. Yes, emptied. Actually, on this candle. And we disrespected the manipulation. So now we rebalanced, manipulated. And this is fucking weird. What is this? Okay. This is the rebalance into the 50. Even the SMT. I like the entry here, even though we made this SMT. I mean, do I? There's this huge lower liquidity. We are. Hmm. We're bullish just because this SMT disrespected, but now we manipulated this general highs, which is like 1 hour. The 1 hour looks pretty cleaner because it looks like we respect this PRA. Let's see what happens. Manipulation. Okay, so the 5 minute or 5 minute candle cross below the order block, and we may want to go here, like there. I mark this, this. See if it displays lower. We have our manipulation now. We just have to respect the PDRA. And there's the displacement. 36 open. I hate 36 open. Fucking hate it, bro. Okay, now this is good. I will target this order block. I don't want to risk. Now this is the time to retrace. Oh my god, I hate when this happens. Why does this happens, bro? I don't understand. So let me figure this out. This is pissing me off, bro. So we closed below the 5 minute. This order block got disrespected. We rebalance into this, and now we displace. We already have the manipulation here. We already have the displacement. We already respect this pair dot with a fucking PXL and displacement here. So why the fuck would we go higher? Disrespecting this CB. And now this is the time. Now this is the time. Of course, we don't know. We could do manipulation even here. I don't know why, but I was fucking long here. So this is it. This is it. Hmm. I can't target too much. This is the thing. 30 points always hits. Okay. Let me try to short. 30 points is this. This is 30 points. Wait, am I tripping? Yeah. When does this displacement candles fakes or not? I don't get it. And I got stopped out because I had my stop loss right here. But if I had it right here, I would have won. Again, my mistakes are my mistakes. These are my mistakes. I just continue to make, and this is my problem. This is my problem. None of it is someone else. This is my problem. The stop loss, the narrative, everything, guys. This is all me. I'd agree. This is pretty low probable day, but the one-to-ones were there. I still could have had them. Hmm. I just gotta be more discretion and more one-to-one based. 18 got filled. This is the new week. Yeah, new week opening up got filled. Okay. Disrespect this BC. Now we retrace low higher. We still respect this speed array, this BC, 1 hour. And then we chop. Fucking chopper. Okay. I don't see nothing. Because my narrative is bearish and the fact that we are now displacing higher could be good sign for us because this high is external. This is the London. No, the Asia high. No, this is not the Asia high, but you know, we've swept the London now right now. High. I'm fucking analphabetic. It's fine. Okay, now we swept it. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we displaced higher. Manipulated these general lows, displaced higher. And displace higher. Displace. Um, let me text these things. What are the bullish and bearish signs? So on higher time frame, we are bearish. Why? Because we displace lower after filling this gap. So bearish displacement lower. What are the other bearish signs? The other bearish signs. We respect this. What is this? Oh, there's nothing. Oh, this. Respect the 5-minute order block, which is there, right here. Respect 5-minute OB. And for bullish signs, let's see. Respect 1 hour BC. I will show it right now. This one. What else? What else? Internal manipulation and displacement higher. So these are my conferences. Do we respect NLP array? We disrespect the OB on market open. London were not swept, was not swept. So from my logical perspective, we are more bullish on market open. But we are in this crucial point. So let's see what happens. If we are clearly bullish, we are going above here and this place higher. These lows, yeah. If you are bearish, we could stop here. We should stop here. Because this is where the bullish structure, the bullish structure happened here, so started here, but no manipulation. There's the manipulation, the clearer one, 5-minute. Still choppy, but yeah. Oh, this is the PXL range actually, so yeah. This overlaps with this order block, so yes. I'm looking what happens here. So this plays higher to this draw. And now this plays higher. Disrespecting this PXL. And now it displays higher. Okay. We have our displacement lower. Immediate displays higher. So we rebalanced into what? Into this PXH. And then we displaced higher. So I will buy now because we are bullish. And target my 1-to-1. Darling, won't you is my war and mine? And it hits. What was my stop loss? 32.89. Stop loss is very wide. 46 points. I shouldn't have it. I should have like this. This is my maximum should be 30 points. Because the 50-40 points doesn't always hit. 18 manipulation displacement. Pretty easy. there's the job. SMT on this, respecting this speed array. We are bearish, guys. We are bearish. We seek these lows. These general lows. Oh, there's the manipulation, displacement. Manipulation, displacement. Lower. Okay, so market opens. We take this marked. This is the last hope of the daily draw because we swept it. There's the rejection. Okay, this is very nice. See if it hits. I wouldn't bother. I wouldn't bother. Okay, I should bother. We're still in the game. We disrespected this speed array, so we may go higher. Okay, so we went lower. So even though there's this rejection candle, we shouldn't go higher. I should be more cautious. More cautious. More cautious is better. Always better because I don't want to lose more money. This is the game. You don't have to risk when you don't trade. I just got to look for the perfect setups, and this is 20th, so okay, it's no news particular. I mean, this could be the entry, not gonna lie. But what, targeting this draw? This is shit. Maybe want to rebalance into this. So let's see if the setup for shorts is pretty good. Like here we should have shorted, but I will short here. Okay, there's the displays. So where did we stop? On this rejection block and on EF. Here. Yeah. The one-to-ones, the one-to-ones, the one-to-ones, guys. So even though we are here, we could rebalance. And there's the rebalance. Um, I don't know. I feel like this month just cracking my mentality and my entries like I don't know. This is the thing with multiple trades a day. You could be more emotional because of it. I feel like I am more emotional because of the multiple trades. Feel like I'm like angry. Hmm. I don't know where the entry was. This is trade up job. I don't like it a lot. I don't like it a lot. So that's why I should have just sit in my ass on my chair and do nothing. That's it. We don't want to lose the money. We just want to make the money. So in order to do that, we have to be patient. We have to be patient. So manipulate here. Okay, we display slower. We fill this gap. We not fill, like we stepped into the BC. And now free balance higher. Took this draw. London highs. Display slower. Okay, well, displays higher. We just have to know we are 9:45 news. So 9:30 opens. Displays above this high. And the narrative is now bullish just because we have this huge move. I will target this. Let's see if we respect it. This the displacement. So this is pretty good sign. And I wouldn't like, yeah, I mean more clear. Yeah, this is the thing. We rebalance, manipulate and displace higher. Not above the order block. Now we displace above it, then manipulate. The entry here. Entry here, 9:45 opens bullish, so you already swept it. So of course the stop loss should be above. And now we want to one. Now is the SMT, so I will close the position. Or I might just, I mean the IT, shit. Okay, close the position. I believe we could go even higher. Yeah. Okay, let's go next day open. More confluences, just more confluences. This is very fine. I don't want to. I should have more. I mean the stop loss, the fucking checklist. That's so. Um, Notepad and just manip rebalance into displacement. That's it. That's it. This is what I need. In the narrative, of course. First narrative. This is the second. This is the third. I will look on it on the next monitor. So this is strange day because we swept all sessions. But after sweeping Asia and this external low, we displaced higher. This is the time where we should go bullish. Yeah, we went bullish. We swept this, stepped into the 50% of the 5-minute. Displace lower. Rebalance. Let's see what we do. If we go, I mean, I like this one that we go higher. Okay, now we go lower. Ooh, you know what? I like this entry. This is 22. 9:45 news again. Oh no, this was okay. I was trading what that now is first. Okay, well, I might go for the short. This is why. Internal manipulation, respecting this order block, and we disrespected all this. Let's see if we have confluences. Because now it is the rebalance. Let's see if the confluence starts here. Okay, that's it. Okay, no. Close below. Okay, this is the close below. Risk 1,000, win 8,000. Let's see if it works. Okay, it displays higher, and we got stopped out. Okay. Fucking hell, bro. I hate when this happens, bro. But the ES, how ES looked. We inversed this gap, so why would we go higher? We've made manipulation, internal manipulation. So this general loss. Uh, we are bullish after sweeping this. I should have been more bullish. Because now we could go even higher. Uh, I should be more like, I should more talk to myself. What is the narrative? What is the narrative? This is the key point. Because I thought we were bearish and I looked for bearish confluences. And when the bearish confluences happened, I got fucked because narrative trumps fucking everything, bro. This is how it is. This is how it is. Narrative trumps everything. This is bearish looking narrative. We swept these general laws. And now we have still these lows. We've swept them already. We went even here to sweep these general lows. Maybe we want to fill this gap. Um, let's see. Okay, there's no manipulation now. Okay, displacement higher. Now we made a bullish structure after 8 o'clock. Displaced above it again. Now we step into this CB. Let's see if we react off of it. Okay. This is day 23rd. Okay. Swept these highs. We just going up. Okay. We created order block. So we displaced higher 180 points. So this should tell me we are more bullish than bearish. I would like see some deeper rebalance. Okay. I don't marry my narrative right now. I just want to see. So this is the reaction. But we have this order block here. In 5 minutes it looks like that. Let me let me let me like mark this. Okay, this is where we go lower. Okay, 47. Okay, so 9:30 when it opened, we respected this PDR and we displaced higher to get these low highs. We stepped into the CB and displaced slowly but steady lower. Now there's the 9:45 open and we displace lower, respecting this 5 minute, and now we displace lower. So why wouldn't we short here? On higher time frame we are bearish. Bah. There's no CB or BC. I just want to see this. And this is very good sign, guys. This is good sign. Okay, this is even better because I now can short. Okay, I can't short because it would be, I could get fucked. I mean, we've rebalanced into this 5 minutes, so why the fuck would we go there? The stop loss here, the target here. And we go there because we are bullish or bearish. So this displacement could tell me we could be more bearish. Don't tell me you are manipulated just to go lower. Okay. That's empty. Oh, this is rough, bro. Is my checklist there? The narrative is bullish from this. Is there manipulation? There is manipulation. So I think so my checklist is not done. This is not done. My narrative is not, I mean, I don't fucking know, bro. This is the thing. How would I know are we bearish or bullish? We are bearish more, bro. This plays like hell. And we made bullish structure. Wow, man, this is like frustrating a lot because I don't know what to do. I don't know. I don't know. Even though we are bearish from 6, we took these sheets, and from there we displaced higher, and we respected this order block. This is what I see, not I. This is just what I see. So 9:30, 9:19 manipulates respecting 50% of this order block. Go a bit lower on the 5-minute candle open, and here the entry. This is the tell we are bullish. This structure tells me we are bullish, even though we chop. So what I need is displacement. And on 9:32 there was my displacement. Or yeah, because we had our confidence that we respect the speed array and the displacement here. We could target this 75 to oh, so 40 points. Okay, this would be good entry. Good. If I enter here, it's even better. So this is the thing. I entered where when we swept these lows, highs, and we started to displace lower. I thought we are still bearish, but this is the confluence. We are bullish. Mm, mhm. Okay, now I'm a bit more. I got a bit of relief because I thought that I can't understand what is happening. Now we chop after seeing this big displacement. We don't manipulate it there. This, yeah. Okay. So I skip to 9:38. Now this. Okay, so 9:27. Manipulate this general lows. 9:30 opens, and we see only displacements. Here, there's the draw. There's the 5-minute order block. So I swept this draw, and now we displace lower, respecting the speed array because we are bullish. Mhm. 9:41. Okay, manipulation. Okay, we slowed down significantly. Uh, and now, guys. So here we have this other block, and I would like to see this being displaced above. After making ASMT, the price slowed down, so we want maybe a deeper rebalance into maybe this range. This is the confluence against confluence. So what we need now is proper narrative, right, guys? Right. Okay. Yeah. Proper narrative. This is bullish narrative. So this displacement, um, we are bullish. So why does price going even higher? And we swap these general lows, which is pretty good. The rebalance, when the rebalance happens, we don't know. But risking only this amount doesn't bother me at all. Okay, so this is the thing. Displace and this, now we displace lower and now we displace higher. Okay. I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. Okay. So we respected this PDRA, but we didn't fucking close above this range. So maybe this is the thing. Now we rebalance this place. 1 to 1. Yeah, the key moves, I just miss them. I'm missing them all the time. Swept Asia, London swept Asia. We swept these general highs. Actually, these are external. Now we're displacing lower after manipulating this. Displaced below this. Respecting this PDRA, and now we are displacing even lower. I mean, what day this is? 27th. 9 o'clock. Okay. So we are bearish. I believe that there's this big move gonna happen. If this truly doesn't hold, we could expect price to go so much lower. But I think so. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, this looks very bearish because we swept these externals and Asian, and we have this draw, which is this is Asia low. So I might just target this. See if we get it. We may just manipulate again, but we don't do that. So price re-entered this Okay. Let's see if my stop loss holds. No. I shouldn't be mad at myself because I was targeting a bit too much. 39, 40. But my RR is always so bad, bro. This trade was a 30 to 37. Okay. I would have got my 1-to-1, so when I will just listen to, listen to myself, I don't know. I think good, but I am too greedy. Okay, so there's the manipulation, 50%, displacement lower, manipulation, now it displays, manipulation, okay, again, this is fucking the thing I don't like. 959, okay. And this, yeah, wait, it's 28. This is all day. I don't know if I trade this. SMT doesn't hold and we displace higher. Rebalance. Manipulation doesn't hold. Go lower. Oh my. Okay, this is pretty good setup. Rebalance. There is the rebalance. Displacement. Okay, so we swap these. General. I will trail to this because I don't know if I get it. Okay, I got it. So we chop. Eventually go lower. So we swept Asia, and on London we started to displace lower. Manipulation here. This is SMT, and we are still bearish. Slowed down, created SMT after entering this 50. Yeah. This is what I see. So we have this PXH, could be PXH. Respect this, we rebalance into this. There is rebalance, manipulation, now displacement. See if we have this confluence, bearish confluence. These general lows could be swept. Let's see if it works. We have everything, right? The narrative, the manipulation, displacement, rebalance, displacement. Nice. Let's see if I would have a win on my 945. Bearish narrative, 940. Respect displacement. See if it would hit. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Manipulate Asia, manipulate London, and every draws. We are non-narrative right now, but knowing what the volume of the candles are, we could expect being bullish right now. Let's see the macro, because I don't have clear narrative right now. So we made an SMT. Now we're chopping. $9.30 reacts off of this CB overlapping with PXL, displays heavy low. Now we made SMT, but we don't respect it. We respect this PDRA. We have the manipulation even. 30. 945 nose. I want to clear displacement. This isn't clear. And now in a minute we have this nose. Yeah. This is not enough. And the fact that we are just now respecting this 5-minute order block and displacing higher could tell me we could go for the cheeky one to even here. Where's the order block there? This. Okay. Why I feel like we could go even more. Because we respected this 5-minute, but this doesn't work out. Why? Because we have from the 8:30 we are going bearish. So maybe I should have changed my narrative. And what? Don't know. This entry maybe targeting this. Fuck me to tears. Ooh, this is hard, guys. This is hard. Hmm. So what I need to validate my entry is because what do we lack here? We have the manipulation. Wait, I did long actually. So still the narrative is the problem. Hmm. Maybe this is the thing. I I knew this SMT didn't hold because we swapped it here. Marked it here, but displays below the body. Bodies do the damage, weaks tell the story, guys. So we weaked into this, but we were weakening here too after displacing lower. And disrespecting this SMT, guys. This was disrespected. We're actually going higher, but this is not clear displacement. I could tell this is displacement above. But the clearest entries are when we respect the PD arrays that are for our narrative and we rebalance and respect these PD arrays. And this is not it. Yeah, even though we disrespected this order block, we still went higher. Here, even though we disrespected this BC, we still go higher here. And the entry here, why is it bad? Even though we didn't close below this 50. We have opposite narrative, so if we have bearish narrative, why would we target 5 minute? The entry here and stop loss there. Even here. Yeah, the thing is the narrative. My narrative is crawling, is fucking bad. Even though we are 40% win rate, we still have minus 7,000. So if I would be on my live account, don't even ask, guys. Don't even ask. Average losses 1.8. This is very, 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 very bad. I don't like it. And see, Thursday I've made some bread. Friday, no, not really. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay. Well, I was only profitable on Monday. Well, well. Mm, what I should do is try for one trades because now I am not profitable and trying to go for more trades at one day could be risky and could affect me. And that feeling affected me while backtesting, which is even worse. What would happen if I would be on live market, right? So first I need to have my win rate slow and steady. This is the thing. Being slow is the key. Second of all, I need to figure out what the narrative actually is. So there were some situations where the old higher time frame narrative was opposite to what is from 9:30 or 8 o'clock. So this is what I have to keep in mind because sometimes it works that or either way. And what I need to keep in mind is that sometimes you have to look what the uh, probability is on the market, right? I think I don't look at it that much. I just look at it after the trade. So I need to see what if the confluences are here and the narrative aligns with the confluences that are being respected. If it's both ways, this should tell me that we could be less um, probable, right? So this is it for today, guys. I'm not proud of this month. We are definitely redoing it and doing it the proper way. So this checklist should be extended, and I will type some more things to it because probability and mm, more narrative, more narrative, more narrative, and seventh, even more narrative. This is the key. This is the key, guys. So again, thanks for watching and see you on the next backtesting session.